Good job!
We're in the flower! We're in the flower! Ay, focus na.
Hi po. Hi daw. Saan tayo punta?
Saan tayo punta?
Bangihan.
Where are we going?
Bahingan. Saan sawi?
Bangihan.
Wow, very good.
Bahingan.
Bangihan. Ikaw isa ka pabulol.
Bangihan.
Sa
Bangihan.
Candelaria.
Quezon. Candelaria.
Candelaria Castle.
Quezon. Saan?
Candelaria Castle.
Kandaya. Saan sawi?
Candelaria Castle.
Oh. Oh.
Okay na.
Say hi po. Hi.
Tayo ko yung akay.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Abangan nyo sa YouTube.
What's your
yan.
name?
After
What's your name?
1 month.
Ano?
My name?
My name is Sawike.
Sawiching.
Oh my.
Nandun na ulit.
Gutom ka na. Insido.
Wow. Ay, si Sir Kuya Robby. What do you want to be when you grow up? You want to be teacher? Kuya? What do you want to be? Huh? Doctor? Veterinarian? Ano? Astronaut?
Please.
Police? Sorry.
Sundalo ako.
Wow.
Ako naman. Ay, prinsesa.
Ay, prinsesa. Prinsesa. Si Ate Chloe?
When I grow up, I want to be. Want to be engineer. Great. Boys, you understand the classroom? I'm dressed like a classroom.
Okay, we just arrived at Bangihan, Kuya. Nice place.
Let's go play.
Paano umuga yun?
Good job! Okay lang. May dati na po akong tatak eh. May tatak ka na? Patingin niya, Soching. Wow, tatak. May tatak na ako ng kapugian. Yan yung tatak ng aking kapugian.
Oh, smile! Okay, 1, 2.
Michael, sama ka! Sama! Picture! Picture, hawakan mo si Marcos. Ikaw mag-guide. Yan. The sunflower. Ate Chloe, tingin ka dito. Iko-close up kita. Ate Chloe, lingon. Yeah. Ganda. Sunflower.
Ano pag ganito?
Zoe!
Yan yung flowers and zombie.
Ha?
Look at the movie, Zoe. Zoe!
Zombie na siya.
Oh, may happy face.
Oh no. These are their products. Natural and organic sugar. Organic Zoe, organic Robbie, organic Chloe. Lahat organic. Everything organic. Organic Chloe. Organic Zoe, organic organic vegetables. Organic Robbie. Organic Zoe chicken.
Yes.
Organic tomato.